Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again and again and again. And this time, may run na naman tayo for this month of March. Ayun. So, we're here at the GCash Eco Run 2025. So, it is sponsored by, of course, GCash. Lagi na lang may aberya. Charot! Anyways, we're here in Makati, of course. Isa sa mga places na hindi pa ako nakakapag-attend ng fun run. First time ko na makapag-run ng isang race course dito sa Makati. Alam ko dati ako nag-work dito. So, nakapag-run na ako dito around here sa Ayala Triangle. So, nandito tayo sa Ayala Triangle. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman yung mga nasa background ko. Ayan. Diyan yung mga ko. Ayan. Tapos na yung stage right over there. Mamaya mag-dyan na tayo. Pupunta tayo dun sa stage. So, let's see kung anong meron dito sa GCash Eco Run. So, hanggang ngayon naghahanap pa rin ako ng starting point. Hindi ko kasi alam kung saan banda. So, yung mga nawawala din dito kung saan yung starting line. Kasi, malapit na actually, dapat gathering time na yung na to. So, mga 3:30 na ba? Yeah, magsa 3:30 na. So, malapit na mga 1 hour pa bago mag-gun start.
Bigat kasi na rin mo.
I mean 30 minutes pa bago mag-gun start. So, nahanap ko pa rin kung nasa yung starting line. Medyo wala silang kung saan yung starting line dito. I just ko Lord.
A few moments later.
Wala yung starting line. Bigyan. Nahanap ko yung starting line. Nandito lang pala. Tingnan. So, ayun. Medyo hindi siya maayos. Charot. Hindi siya maayos. Kasi hindi ko alam kung saan yung starting line. Ayan na. So, mag-gather na ngayon sa starting line. So, dapat may mga konting program pa sila before the starting line. Ayun. So, marami-rami ito kaysa nung Pokemon Run. Ay, hindi. Tama. Mas marami ito kaysa nung Pokemon Run. So, yung Pokemon Run medyo, siya, limited yung slots sa Pokemon Run. So, obviously, mas So, ayan, nakita na yan. Yan yung starting line. So, ayan. Ayan, nakita natin. Start.
Good morning, runners! All right, there we go.
Good morning to everyone that's joining us on this really lovely Sunday morning. I'm Riza Diaz.
And I'm Vince Velasco. Of course, everyone, and thank you so much for making it. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and the weather's pretty cool
It is.
for a 10K run, so hopefully it stays that way.
There's some cool breeze we're experiencing ngayong umaga, but nevertheless, we said today is it's a beautiful morning because it is the first ever GCash Eco Run. Good morning! I'm so proud and I'm very happy to be part of such a meaningful event.
Yeah, so also, speaking of something that's meaningful, we're also keeping track of whatever it is you're doing today to contribute, of course, to the wellness of our country, of course, our economic growth here. So you're going to see, of course, our Tree Life Counter as you are running through as well. You're giving back to the community and of course all the recyclable stuff you're doing.
In Negros Occidental in partnership with Silliman University. And para talagang double the impact, GCash will match this planting of another tree. So, okay, if I'm not mistaken, the total number of runners
Yes.
that we have for 3 categories is
About 12,000, roughly 12,000, yes?
okay, more or less 12,000. So do the math, 12,000 trees already times 2, 24,000 trees to be planted at Negros Occidental. Give yourselves a round of applause. That is such a great difference we're making. 10K at your best. Please, Green Heroes, give a big hand for GCash Group Head of New Business, Wesley Ballard. Good morning.
Good morning, Riza and Vince. Magandang umaga, runners. Good morning to all our Eco Runners today. And welcome to the first ever GCash Eco Run. So, alam ko excited tayo, but bagong lahat, actually, magpapasalamat po kami sa inyo. Because we were able, with our partners, Silliman University, we will be able to plant 24,000 trees because of all of the 12,000 runners who will join us today. So hindi na po tayo nag-enjoy, nakatulong din po tayo sa kalikasan at nakatulong po tayo sa mga community sa Negros Occidental. And I know, as you enjoy the run today, later, meron po tayo mga exciting news so that you can extend the fun because we will be giving away 500,000 worth of prizes. Of course, together with our partners from IKEA, Nike, Globe, and all of our other partners here today. So, I know na excited na kayo at sasama ako sa inyo dyan mamaya. So therefore, good luck, run safe, and more importantly, have fun! So everybody, let's get this race started.
Come on, everybody, just follow. Jump in along this walk.
Three, two, one, go!
Go, runner!
Eventually.
Yes, nakaka-turn na rin. Dito ako. Ayoko sa... Tapos, ang ramp tayot. Puro patag na from here to the finish line. Whew! 10 km. Pero naka-PR tayo pero hindi pa rin tapos yung race. So meaning to say sobra siya. Ayun. Anyways, let's continue. Continue. Oh no!
Congrats po!
Para lang makatanim ng puno. Te. Eh, sabitan. Andun yung finish line. Andun yung sabitan ng medal. Asa ng hustisya.
Left side po tayo. Left side po.
Ay.
Left side. Left side po tayo.
Left side.
Runners, left side po.
Good morning. Let's go. Shh. Pahingi po. Ang sakit na eh. Let's go. For the trees. Thank you. Yes. 10K. And for the trees. For the trees. Kanina pa ako sigaw na sigaw. For the trees. Okay naman. Wag lang. Yung ramp, grabe yung ramp na yan. Te! So alam ko na yung feeling ng UV namin pag umaakit doon. Galing Marikina. Hindi siya madali. Enough of my banter. Okay, I just finished the 10K for the GCash Eco Run. Well, it's the first event pala. Or rather, yes, as for yung sabi ng host, the first Eco Run. And it's organized by GCash, of course. And also Run Rio. Yes. And ayun, it's for the trees. Kada takbo namin may punong may tatanim sa Negros Occidental. Ayun. So anyways guys, complete. Ayun guys. So kumuha tayo ng ating ang tawag dito? Eco bag. Ano ba tawag dito? Sa eco bag siya. So maglalagay tayo ng mga kung anong meron sa loob sa Race Village. Ay, ayan na pala. Mayroon pala tayong loot bag. Ay, ito po. Okay. Thank you po. Ayan. Ay, na. Okay na. Okay na. Ayan. Tapos may loot bag pa tayo from GCash. Ayan. So, tignan natin kung ano meron sa loob. Loob ng loot bag. Ano ba loob? Ano ba to? Oh! Ayun. May mga konting goodies sa loob. So, yan ko na lang mamaya. At marami pa silang mga sponsor. Uy, bakit may pila? Picture. Okay, ayoko magpa-picture. Sarili sikap na lang tayo sa mga picture. Ay. Tingin tayo kung ano meron sa GCash booth. So, ang ganda ng booth nila ngayon. Ano meron? Got concerned. Ayan, GCash nga. Ay, hindi, meron na ako eh. Okay, so anong meron? Cat and Friends. So yung mga... Oh. Oh. Hello. Eh?
Ano po kayo sa G-Forest?
Meron, oo.
Ayan ma'am, ito po ma'am, pwede mo kayo mag-perform dito. Tapos kung ano po yung lagi yung ginagawa na transaction sa Gcash, yun po yung i-click nyo.
Okay.
Sit up.
Okay. Anong meron? Start.
Po dyan, yung usually ginagawa nyo
Siyempre, send money. Makabay. Yan.
Na-reach lang po siya ma'am na every
Ah.
send money. Nakakuha po tayo ng
130.
131 energy points para po makapag-plan tayo ng 3 sa G-Forest.
Okay. Thank you po.
Pwede ko po kung ano lang.
Sure. So they say this boot is from recycled material. All the boots are. So, ayun. Nakaabot pa ako sa kape. Hindi pa bukas yung ibang booth. Nalaman mo lang tayo. Lakad-lakad muna tayo. Cool down muna tayo. While having black coffee. Sarap pero iba lang yung kape nila. Wala naman tayong choice. So sobrang bilis natin. Hindi pa bukas yung mga boot. Ewan kung bukas na ba yung boot? Ayan, bukas na yung mga boot. May mga ilaw na sila. Vlogger. Hey guys, so bumili din tayo ng kape from Lawson. Kasi kaping-kape na rin ako. Yung kape kasi dun sa yung sa libre, medyo hindi ko bet. Ayun, kaya bumili ako. Kape tayo guys. Habang papunta ako sa sa baggage counter para kunin yung bagelya ko. Aking baggage. Ayun. So far, ipopost ko dito is nag-PR tayo. So, 1 hour, 47 seconds. Konti na lang, guys. Konti na lang. Konting kayod pa. Kundi lang doon sa mga paakyat, baka nakasabwad na ako. Yun ang goal ko this year, makasabwad ako sa 10K. Hopefully, sa susunod nating 10K ulit. Mga sub 1 tayo. Pero yon. Ito yung booth ni IKEA. Diyos ko Lord, lahat na may nakaupo. Kanina, walang laman yan kanina, di ba? So guys, may free money tayo from eTap Solution. Yeah.
And we're going to cash in.
Cash in. Okay, buti na lang may GCash tayo.
So, sige, let's try it sa kiosk. So, click po na.
One eternity later.
So, yun guys. Marami-rami din tayo nakakot for today's video. Marami-rami to. Mostly mga sponsors nila. Yun yung advantage din kapag si Ranrio ang inyong organizer. Sure ball na marami kayong mahahakot na from sponsors. Kasi medyo naman sila. When it comes to sponsors, medyo galante naman yung mga sponsors na kinukuha nila. And of course, yun nga. And besides, this run is for a good cause. So, everything is supposed to be free. Ayun. So, anyways guys, ito lang yung masasabi ko for the GCash Eco Run 2025. Hopefully, there's a next year. And of course, syempre, sali na naman ulit tayo. Kasi, it's for the trees. It's for the trees. Sure. Ayun. So anyways, bye guys. See you on the next